of this question. Anuj, Arvind, Adarsh each have some marbles with them. The number of marbles Anuj has exceeds that of Arvind by half the number of marbles that Adarsh has. So, Anuj, Arvind and Adarsh has some marbles with them, and it is given that number of marbles that Anuj has exceeds that of Arvind by half the number of marbles that Adarsh has. So I'm assuming the number of marbles that Adarsh has is 2y, and I'm assuming the number of marbles with Arvind as x. So the number of marbles with Anuj is, because the number of marbles with Anuj exceeds that of Arvind, so it means Anuj has x plus exceeds by the amount that is half the number of marbles that Adarsh has. So half the number of marbles would be y. So the number of marbles with Anuj would be x plus 1, and the total number of marbles with these three would be 2x plus 3y. This much is more. Now, next, when the digits of the number of marbles that Adarsh has is reversed. Now the Adarsh is having marbles for, let's say, this 2y is equal to 80. Now it is given that if I reverse the digits of the number of marbles that Adarsh has, if it becomes BA, the number obtained is equal to total number of marbles the three have. So this BA must be equal to the total number of marbles, which is 2x plus 3y. Also, it is given that Anuj has 24 marbles more than Arvind, right? So the difference of these two is given as 24 marbles, and the difference of these two is y, and which is given as 24. How many marbles does Arvind have? I have to find the value of this x. Now the difference of these two is y, which is given as 24. So the number of marbles with Adarsh would be 2 into 24, that is 48, right? If this is 48, so I can say the value of A is 4 and B here is 8. So if I reverse these two numbers, I get 84, and 84 is equal to total number of marbles, which is 2x plus 3y, and y is already known, 24. 24 into 3 is 72. So I get the value of x as how much? 84 minus 72 is 12 by 2 is 6. So I get the value of x as 6. So number of marbles with Arvind is 6. So the correct answer to this question is option C.